Every site license and multi-seat license for SmartDraw allows you to manage users via groups, which lets you place users into groups and have control over the permissions any group has inside the application. First, log into your account, and in your license management page, click on Group Permissions here on the left. Turn on this feature by clicking on the Enable User Groups button. You can also stop using groups at any time by clicking on Disable Groups here under Actions. By default, you get 3 built-in user groups you can add users to: editors, read-only users, and admins. If you enabled single sign-on, you will also see any groups that your IDP passed to SmartDraw. To start, all users on a license will belong to the editor group, which gives them full control over creating, editing, and deleting private and shared documents and folders. If some of your users shouldn't have edit rights, put them in the read-only group. This group will not be able to create, modify, or delete documents. The admin group is meant for people who may administer your license, but don't need to edit or create documents. You can add custom groups easily. Click Add Custom Group under Actions to create a new group specific to your business. Give it a name and a short description. Once you add a group, you can set its permissions and add users in the Group Details panel. Permissions are similar to those in the built-in groups. You can choose to allow the group to have editor rights by checking Full Control. This will allow users in the group to read, create, edit, and delete files. To set read-only permissions, click Allow next to the Read-Only option. To add new users to your group, click Add Users under Actions. You'll see a list of users on your license. Check the box next to the ones you want to add to your custom group and choose Add Selected Users. To remove users from a group, select the users you want to remove and click on Remove Users. To delete a custom group entirely, select the group from the list and click Delete Group.